In this video, I'll show you how to fix app not installing in Android phone or tablet. When you're trying to install the APK file, you will get this error. So let's see how to fix this. I will show you to your 40 step. First, I'll show you an Android phone, okay? So first thing is, you need to allow the unknown source. So go to the setting and then go to the apps or app manager and then tap on a special app access and then tap on install unknown apps, okay? Tap on it. And here, select the from where you want to installing the app. Like if you download the APK file from the Chrome, then open the Chrome. If you want to install from the A drive or any other drive, so select the app where you want to installing. So for example, I have installing the APK file from the Chrome. So open the Chrome and turn on it, okay? So the first method and try to install app. If this not fixed, then again go to the setting and open the apps or app manager. And here search for Google Play Store. Done. And now tap on storage and caches. Simply tap on clear cache. Don't clear the data, okay? Only clear the cache. Now come back and now search for Google Play Services. Open it. And do the same. And go to storage and clear the caches. And back again. Now try to install your app. If it's not work, then the final powerful method is go to your Play Store. So open the Google Play Store app and tap on your profile picture. Now tap on Play Product and then tap on Setting. You need to turn off this boot option. So turn off this boot option. It will ask your phone passcode. Type your phone passcode. And that's it. This option will be turned off. Now try to install your app. So this time your app will be installed. But after you successfully install your app, once again you need to turn on Google Protect. Without this are very important to protect your Google apps. So after you successfully install your APK file app, once again go to your profile and Play Protect and setting and turn on your Google. So let me know in the comment which option or which method fix your problem.